Hi kids! Let's find answers to the why, what, when, and how! Let's find the answer! Hey kids, ever wondered why we wash our hands before eating? Our hands touch toys, dirt, doors, and many things all day. Tiny germs jump onto our hands from many places. If we eat now, those germs sneak into our bodies. But soap and water wash those sneaky germs away. This is yummy! So crunchy and fresh. So remember kids, wash hands before eating to stay healthy.
Fun Station, Education Fun Station. Fun Station, Education Fun Station. Welcome little friends.